Hello, I'm John. I'm currently restoring Corrick, a Contessa 32. This has been an interesting day down in the shed on a particularly beautiful, crisp Friday afternoon. What's been happening and what I'm hoping to show in this episode is a number of some of the finer details just coming together in ways that I'm really quite pleased with and is validating a number of our decisions, and we are getting very close to being able to put the deck gear in place.
First job was cutting off these old fittings in order to get ready for the new stuff to go in. They'd been bolted in and so had to be cut right off. While all the boat building's going on, there's a fair bit of paperwork that needs to go on too, and we've got the ship registration number allocated and have looked at where we're going to put that. We have to put the boat's name on the stern, and we also have to put the SSR number on the hull. Also happening is that we've got the mimic for the electrical control panel, and we'll be fitting that in as well as the official number. The engine controls have gone in, although the engine start has yet to be fitted and needs a little bit of work. Doing yesterday was repairing the companionway hatch, and I had to dig out some holes, grind them all out, clean it all off, expose where it needed to be repaired, take the wood off, mix up the fiberglass, and then before it hardens, which is quickly, I had to then smear it into the holes in order to conduct a repair of it, such that we can get ready to rub it down and, in the ideal world, bring it back to looking new. The deck ring is now bonded and bolted onto the top of the coach roof in preparation for the mast going in. Sitting underneath the boat at the moment are these parcels from Harkin containing winches, and we've also taken delivery of the Genoa track and the main sheet track, all set to go in next week.
All in all, I'm really pleased with how things are going. Engine's getting very close to being completely there. Some of the auxiliary systems are all in place. The deck gear has turned up, and I'm intending to be down the boat for a fair bit of next week while we fit that, because the positioning of that is particularly important to how well the boat's going to go. I hope you enjoyed the episode.